Hello everyone, I am Rohan, and in this video we are going to start with the topic of arithmetic progression, or more commonly known as an AP. Why do we need to learn arithmetic progression? The most obvious reason is it is a part of a mathematics curriculum in various boards across India, including CBSE, ICSE, as well as various state boards. This topic is fairly simple, scoring, and less time consuming. This topic is also one of the favorite ones for various competitive examinations and recruitment examinations like IBPS and entrance exams like MBA CAT, MBA CET, etc. So let's quickly dive and understand what do you mean by an arithmetic progression. The definition says it is nothing but a list of numbers in which every successive term can be obtained by adding the same number to the previous term, except the first number. In simple words, it is a bunch of numbers which have something common in them. Let's quickly take an example. So let's say you have this bunch of numbers 4, 6, 8, 10. If you add plus 2 to the previous number, you get the successive number that is 6. If you add plus 2 to 6, you get 8. And similarly, if you add plus 2 to 8, you get 10. So let's understand the definition once again. It is a list of numbers, correct, in which every successive term can be obtained by adding the same number. So the same number here is plus 2. And if I add plus 2 to every previous number, I get the successive number. Yes, yes, this is an AP. So this example is an example of arithmetic progression. The plus 2 that you see in the above example is known as the common difference, and we will denote it as small d. This common difference can be a positive number, it can be a negative number, or it can be 0. So let's quickly dive in and solve few more examples of an AP. So let's see some examples. So here we have some bunch of numbers, and to determine whether it is forming an AP, we need to see whether these terms have a common difference or not. So let's take minus 2, and we'll take the previous number 2. To find out the common difference, we need to subtract these two numbers, and the difference right now we get it as minus 4. Let's check. So if I add this minus 4 to the previous number, that is minus 2, I get minus 6. And yes, it is present in the list. Similarly, if I add minus 4 to minus 6, I get minus 10. And we have that number in the series as well. So for this progression of numbers, the common difference that you get is as minus 4. And this series of number do form an AP. Let's look at another example. In this bunch of numbers, if you see, just adding 5 to the previous term gives me the successive number. So the common difference for this list of numbers is plus 5. Hence, this is an AP. If you look at this list of numbers, the difference between these two numbers is 0. The difference between 2 and 1 is 1. And the difference between 2 and 2 is 0. The difference is not common for all the numbers. Hence, this is not an AP. Now, if you look at this series comprises of only number 6. The difference between all the terms is 0. So this is also an AP. We have already learned the common difference for an AP can be a negative number, it can be a positive number, or it can be 0. So this was some of the examples of arithmetic progression. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel Just Learn. If you want me to solve any particular problem, leave that in the comment section. And if you do have any comments, please drop in the comment section. Stay tuned for more such videos. Thank you.